Will India be renamed as Bharat? There's a lot of buzz going around this question. It all started with the G20 dinner invitation. That invitation referred our President Draupadi Murmu as the President of Bharat instead of the President of India. It has spurred discussion of a likely attempt to change the country's name from India to Bharat. While most reports suggest that the government of India is soon going to change the country's name from India to Bharat at the recent parliament session that's soon going to be held from September 18 to September 22. Well, speculations in no time have started to create waves around the country. It is very important to know what the students of this country think about this decision. The Free Press Journal has come down to speak to students to know what's their take on it. Let's have a look on it. So just tell us, what do you think about this decision? As in, are you in favor of, India being renamed as Bharat, or do you think this is just a bizarre, thing that the government is imposing right now?
Taking name as India and Bharat. Bharat is more better, comfortable for everyone. We all are
Right.
Hindus. We all don't know English also.
Right.
Politically and educationally, everything is correct.
About India being renamed as Bharat, I feel it's good looking at it because Bharat Shabd holds enthusiasm according to me, and it shows one kind of unity which we have in India despite of all the riots going on overall.
I think so. It's like India is known as India. Everybody knows it as India. If something like Bharat will come, so it will be new to people, and Bharat will be not known by everybody.
Right.
So we can use both India and Bharat. Is not an issue. So I think India should be India and Bharat be hey. Hey. तो दोनों है ही.
Okay.
क्या problem है दोनों?
India should be named Bharat. India was given by the British.
Right.
Bharat is from ourselves, it's a Sanskrit word. I feel that brings more culture and the youth will know more about the culture. So I feel Bharat should be there rather than India, yeah.
मेरे को इतना डेमोक्रेसी का नॉलेज नहीं है बट इंडिया नाम हो या भारत नाम हो कहलाएगा तो एक ही हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद यस
I mean hundreds of years ago it was called Bharat anyways. बाद में British ने आके उसका नाम India दिया. So I don't think there's anything wrong in going back with our roots to our history and then it's completely fine, yeah. There's no defaming or shaming our country by naming it Bharat in any way. सब हिंदुस्तानी है, सब इंडियन है, सब भारतीय हैं.